Hey there peoples, you saw last week's video, we got this new front fender on. Well, this is actually a little video in between that and the shots we got of the motorcycle, because that fender looks super nice and clean, but the rest of my bike is pretty dirty and needs a little restoration. We got a kit that's made by Turtle Wax. It's called Back to Black or Blackout or something. It's super nice, but we gotta get the rest of the bike looking good before we actually go film these shots, because it's gonna want it to look nice. I'll be sending some photos to Clockworks, and my bike's not looking the best it can. So in order to do that, we are going to be doing a motorcycle, I guess, cleaning up video to make this work. Before I get into that, if you have been watching my channel and like my videos, and like my content, hit that subscribe button down below. I upload new videos every Tuesday around 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And I do a live stream every 6:30, again with the gentleman that's holding the camera, Norseman, and Johnny Roadblock, and Wigsley, and whoever else wants to join in. It's a fun time, go check it out. But so we have a rainstorm coming in, so what we need to do is we're gonna do a initial clean on the motorcycle. And no, I do understand that there's something on my head. It's a very crucial part about before you wash your motorcycle is to, if you have an exposed filter, make sure you cover it up, protect it. It's a lot less expensive to cover it up and buy a new cover than it is to buy a new cleaner for it, because always protect that stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get into washing the bike and getting all the initial grime and dust off before we get into actually doing some cleanup on the paint to make it look beautiful. And you can see I want to match that up there. I want it to look nice. So if you do have a bike with a windshield, not a fairing windshield, a lot of these are removable. Always make sure that before you clean your bike, you pop your windshield off. You get all the areas behind where the windshield is. Make sure everything looks clean, because if your whole bike looks super clean, and behind here looks dirty, everyone notices that one spot. I hope you enjoy this time lapse of washing the bike. So we got the, oh wait, hold on. So we got the Heritage all cleaned. We got her wiped down. She's dry for the most part. And so now what we're gonna be using is this stuff called Black Box Collection from Turtle Wax. It says Ultimate Deep Rich Shine for Black Vehicles. It's black. See? Harley? It's Harley, it's black. So, black. But right now we're working on the forks, which are very notorious with these soft tails for having issues. And what are you using right now?
Right now this is the pre-cleaner. It just basically gets all this stuff off of it. Everything in here is like black tinted, so it's gonna come across, you know, where you're not gonna have any like white streaks or anything like that. So even if you miss a spot, it's still black.
Good deal. So all those times I said that, yeah, I know my bike is dirty, well, she's getting super clean now. Now, like I said, I mentioned this notorious with the soft tail forks, them doing that. For whatever reason, the coating Harley put on there was crap. You guys saw the inside of the fender, and now the new fender is beautiful. Now we gotta make the rest of the bike match it before we go and do a little photo shoot for the bike and get her polished up and looking nice. So we're using the black stuff, box stuff, so we're gonna get the cleaner on there, and then we're gonna get into putting the wax on. So you guys are gonna get to watch a super hyperlapse of us looking super fast like the Flash. When in reality, I go fast on the motorcycle, not real life. If you run, you're a communist. I stand by my statement.
It's very suspect.
So right now what I'm showing you guys is kind of a before. Man, that lighting is killing me.
Which lighting? That one?
So we're about to test out the wax stuff right here, and you can see that there's definitely some corrosion. I can feel it. and you can see that the reflection is kind of fogged by, I guess, time and buildup. We live in Michigan, road debris is the real thing, 100%, and we're gonna see a before and after of what this looks like. And this is the after. So you can see right there, the before and kind of after of it is there's a haze right on this up here, and down here it's nice and shiny. We're gonna work a little bit more on it, and once we get the whole bike done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk through the steps right here in the fender, because we hadn't decided we're gonna end up doing that. So we started with the pre-wax cleaner, which is that. So
we're all black bottles. You gotta give me.
So we start with the pre-wax cleaner. You take that, put it on the rag. As you can see, it's black because it's made for black vehicles, and you wipe it on. What that's gonna do is just kind of clean up the paint, anything that might be on it. Then we go to our next rag. Then we use the spray detailer, which is the little pump bottle right there, and get that on there. As you can see, the fender has a little bit of a haze to it right now. Then when he flips it over, it starts to get really shiny. Ooh, look at that. You can see reflections. So the third step is the black carnauba wax. As you can see, it's black. I recommend doing this on a lighter cloth so you can see it. And that gets wiped on there. And once again, with every wax, you see a little bit of haze. So if it starts getting hazy, don't worry. This is how wax works. Puts the shell on there, and then you take the chamois that comes with the kit and buff it out. By buff it out, I mean just, yeah, you're wiping back and forth. I know this is super black, but to really show it off, I put a light on the fender and you can see the camera. Hello there, peoples. But yeah, you can see it really shines it to the point where reflections of stuff are very visible. Now we're gonna do that to the rest of the bike. So as you can see on the bike right now, you guys can see that haze. So before and afters on this, you can see that's the plastic they put on there to protect the rear fender. But as you can see, there's a haze on there. Kind of makes the bike look gray. So what that is, the top coating needing treatment. You can see there's some swirl marks and stuff. And we're gonna take and do this to the whole bike. So you can see the difference here. We just got done with this half of the tank, or I guess the Norseman just got done with half the tank. And you can see, hello, reflection. And then you go over here and it's like, look at that. Look at all that build up. You see that haze right here. It's kind of got that mirror shine to it, I guess, a little bit, but like you can see all that. And then you go over here and it's just beautifully coated.
I think the word you're looking for is luster.
Luster! But really, let's be honest, denim paint is awesome because you don't have to worry about this making it shine.
Luster.
Being lackluster is perfect. This is a pain in the butt. But you can see the haze on this side, and then you go over here and it's just beautiful glass. Yay! Alright, we're gonna check back in with you guys when we get the rest of the bike done. Yay! So we got the bike all done. We ended up finishing it off with some Shine Werks from Clockworks. It's their new cleaner stuff and the coating and protectant. It's all in one. It's really good material. It's a really good product. You guys should go check it out and get it. This is what the bike looks like all done. It's all cleaned up and nice. You guys can see it's got the nice shine on the tank again. Got the leather bags all, I guess we want to call it, rejuvenated. But she is looking sweet. And we're gonna go do our little photo shoot for what we're gonna be doing with the pictures of the bike. But for now, if you haven't,
I'm wondering Sally in the background.
But for now, if you haven't already checked out the video for the front fender, go check it out. That's where I'm gonna post all the pictures and the video and the awesome B-roll I got of the bike. We got her all cleaned up and nice. She's looking pretty. The black box stuff, we really couldn't determine whether or not it was worth it at this time because it seemed like this more work for the same outcome. So go get some Shine Werks and just wipe down your bike. Clean it and then wipe it down with some Shine Werks. It'll look beautiful. That's what we ended up doing. That's why it's got that nice mirror finish. That's why it looks pretty. And we got her all done. Now that my bike's clean, 100% it's gonna rain sometime this week. It's always what happens. But for now, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out a couple of the other videos I got. You know, like I said, if you like it, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I hope you have a great day, evening, night, morning, afternoon tea, brunch, lunch, nightcap, midnight snack, crumpet, McGriddle, bacon sandwich. And remember to always ride for freedom. Goodbye.